On behalf of our worldwide community of Earth and space scientists, the people that tell you that climate change is real and we can do something about it, I want to express my thanks to you, Director Wells, and to the Department of Energy and the Environment for this award, and also recognize the mayor who is leading and making this city one of the most sustainable in the country and the world. Everything we do at AGU is in partnership, and actually your department worked with us from planning to development, and together with our scientists we were able to design and build the first net zero commercial renovation in the city. And for those of you who tell you it's too expensive or you'll never get the rents that you want, I can tell you that's not the case. Come talk to us. We will tell you this is done, it's affordable, and you get a return on investment. As an organization, we always try to lead by example in our values. As I said, we know climate change is real. Buildings are the major contributor to it. And so we hope this building will inspire further research and accelerate others to follow us. This is only part of our team here. We've got a lot of other people out here. We couldn't be more proud, and thank you so much. And come visit us. We have a beautiful building. It's a community space. You can learn about Earth and space science, but you also can meet and gather there and interact with us. And soon we'll have data available that everybody will be able to use to fuel similar projects. So thank you so much.
That's great.